This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your JBL Charge 5. Resetting your speaker can be a simple yet effective solution for many common issues. Whether you are experiencing Bluetooth pairing difficulties, unusual sound problems, or general unresponsiveness, a quick reset can often get your device working perfectly again. It is a great first step for troubleshooting before exploring more complex solutions. For minor glitches or temporary freezes, a soft restart is often all you need. Think of it like rebooting your computer. Simply press the power button to turn your JBL Charge 5 off. Give it a moment, perhaps 3 to 5 seconds, then press the power button once more to power it back on. This simple action can clear small software hiccups without affecting your settings. If a soft restart does not resolve your issue, a factory reset will restore your JBL Charge 5 to its original settings. First, make sure your speaker is powered on. Then, simultaneously press and hold both the volume up button and the play button. Keep holding them for approximately 3 seconds until the speaker powers itself off. When you turn it back on, it will be in pairing mode, ready for new connections. After a factory reset, remember to repair your devices through Bluetooth. It is also a good practice to check for and install any available firmware updates to ensure optimal performance and new features. To prolong your speaker's life, avoid overcharging its battery and keep it clean from dust and debris. These simple steps help maintain your JBL Charge 5 in top condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.